In today's video, let us go over priority and severity, two key things that are generally associated with defects. Before we understand what is severity and priority, we should be aware of what a defect is. We have posted a separate video for the same and I'll share the link in the description. Do watch it. So, defect is a deviation from expected or desired behavior as listed down in the requirements document. Severity is defined as extent to which the defect can affect the software. In other words, it defines the impact that a given defect has on the system. Severity can be classified into critical, major, minor and cosmetic. Let us try to understand what each of these different severity levels are. A critical severity defect is a one that results in the termination of the complete system or one or more components of the system and causes extensive corruption of the data. The failed function is unusable and there is no acceptable alternative method to achieve the required results. Then the severity will be marked as critical. A major severity defect is a one that results in the termination of the complete system or one or more components of the system and causes extensive corruption of the data. The failed function is unusable, but there exists an acceptable alternative method to achieve the required results. Then the severity will be marked as major. The defect that does not result in the termination and does not damage the usability of the system and the desired results can be easily obtained by working around the defects, then the severity is marked as minor. The defect that is related to the enhancement of the system where the changes are related to look and feel of the application, then the severity is marked as cosmetic. Priority defines the order in which we should resolve a defect. Priority levels are low, medium and high. A defect will be categorized as low priority defect if it is an irritant which should be repaired, but repair can be deferred until after more serious defect have been fixed. A defect will be categorized as medium priority defect if the defect can be resolved in the normal course of development activities. A defect will be categorized as high priority defect if the defect must be resolved as soon as possible because the defect is affecting the application or the product severely.